and gets the presents more often, hey?
You must know when they're his.
Oh, when no one yells at him not to open it. Almost there, buddy. Ooh. Oh, what you got in there? So close. Look.
It's really pretty, Mum. Thank you.
Oh, success.
Hell yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Straight into it.
Why waste time?
It's yours.
It's not quite as good as the opening himself.
You like that, doesn't he?
It tastes so good. So good.
Good boy.
Orlando's like, I'm taking it before someone else does.